All right. So, Shake, why do we avoid options?
So, I mean, for me personally, there are definitely strategies that work with options, but over the long haul, and if you extrapolate looking at a huge percentage of the population, or you look at 100, you look at 200 traders who try options, maybe one or two makes money. You look at the way we trade, and for me personally, I used to try to trade options back in the day, and I learned very quickly it wasn't for me because the timing of the stocks would always kill me. I would be right in my ideas, but I'd be wrong in my executions because the timing of the short-term options would always kill me. So for me, it allows me to allow ideas to work out, and at the end of the day, options are just a fancy form of leverage, right? You know, you have to pay a small amount for a potential big risk, and then it doesn't work out more times than it does. For us, options are just going to get the failure rate just way increased. So for me personally, it doesn't become worth my time to try to, trade in and out of these weekly short-term trades. Even though I'll be taking very short-term trades, 3 or 4 days or so, even so, my equity is still worth the same or up and down a few percent at the end of the day. So I don't know. I just think options, are just going to hasten your failure rate.